to get more on that front, but as of now what we are learning is that as per the sources to NewsX, the accused was last seen near the Bandra railway station. These are the details that we are also picking up amid the ongoing investigation of the Saif Ali Khan attack case. The doctors have said at the Lilavati hospital that they have removed a small fragment of the sharp-edged hex blade that had entered the actor's body, touching the spine, which are in fact very worrying and chilling details. Following the surgery, the police seized the blade fragment as part of their probe into the incident. Well, now Lilavati hospital doctors have also issued few information, bits and pieces of information. Daryl joins me from Lilavati hospital. Daryl, as we are also watching that there are actors who have been coming at the Lilavati hospital in the latest, I believe in fact, if there are children of the actor Sara Ali Khan and Ibrahim who have seen coming and visiting Saif Ali Khan at the hospital.
Simran, I am present outside the Lilavati hospital where the Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was admitted, and as of now, no actors have reached over here. We can see this is the gate from where, this is the entry gate from where the actors come in and all the other people come in. But yesterday there were many actors and actresses, the family member of the Kapoor family, who had come to meet the Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan when he was admitted. And now, we can see over here, this is the Lilavati hospital where actor Saif Ali Khan has been admitted. It is expected that post 12 p.m., all the Bollywood actors and actresses from the industry will come to meet Saif Ali Khan. But as of now, we can see over here, there's no one from the industry who has come to meet Saif Ali Khan as of now.
All right, now in fact, let me also get my other colleagues on the broadcast who are at this point trying to get more information on that probe right for in fact our viewers. Javed, as you continue to be at the Bandra police station, which is now being seen as the very volatile and high activity zone, given the facts which are coming at this point of time, the maids are being probed, the maids are being questioned. Now with the details coming at this point, it is also being understood how exactly the intruder did barge into that very floor where Saif Ali Khan was residing. Javed, let me